there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. I was trying to make a messy bun and I found a TikTok that was basically a tutorial for a messy bun, and I watched that video about 20 times and I still couldn't figure things out, and I just did it my way. So I mean, at least it's messy. It's not that cute as I saw in that TikTok, but at least it's messy, so that was the point of it. Whatever. So I got this request from Pialicious 808. She asked me to do a olive smoky eye, and I was so down to it. Like, green is one of my favorite colors to use in my makeup, but obviously olive is not that kind of a bright green, so it's kind of like the wearable green, let's say. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. I got my olive top. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel and if you're into makeup, go ahead and press the subscribe button, because I do a lot of makeup content that you might enjoy. Just saying. So go ahead and subscribe, and now let's get started with the tutorial. So first I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer as a base. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. It's in the shade C6. Just going to apply a tiny dot of that on my lids to just cancel out any darkness and prime for eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend it with a flat brush. Just make sure that the concealer is evenly distributed. So I have these palettes in front of me. I'm not sure which one I want to use. I don't think I can use just one. I might use all three of them. They're all from Juvia's Place. I mean, they all have this kind of an olive toned shade, but I feel like this is the most olive out of them all. I want to do some kind of like a extended smoky eyes, like kind of that lifted, extended, blended smoky eye. I'm gonna grab my trusty Morphe M506 brush. I feel like this brush isn't missing from any of my looks, and I'm going to pick up this shade. Curious, like this palette has no shade names. The other Juvia's palettes usually do. I also think I never use this shade. So I'm starting from my outer corner, and basically I'm sketching the shape that I want. First I'm doing some kind of a wing liner, like you can see here. And then I'm kind of extending it in my crease. I want to create kind of like a V shape here. I just want to talk about what's on my mind recently. I don't know, I feel like I'm having some kind of a quarter life crisis. If you don't want to hear it, I'm sorry. Okay, so when there's basically no product on my brush, I'm going to extend the blend upwards towards the tail of my brow. I mean, this is my day off work, and I'm just so happy today because I get to film and just take my time and do makeup and just take my time. Like that's what I want, because I haven't been happy with the looks or the videos that I created recently, especially my last one. That's a total fail. I'm so ashamed of that look. I'm sorry for that. I think I will recreate it sometime soon. I mean, use the same colors and just do a different look. I mean, it's so hard for me to juggle my job, my full-time job, and my social media, like trying to make it on social media and stuff. Just getting anxious over here. Like, I've been trying to make it on social media since 2017 maybe. Like, I started with just my Instagram, and last year I started being more serious about YouTube as well. I don't know, like sometimes I wonder if I'm ever going to make it. Like, for me it's a scary thought, because I never considered it until this point. Like, I seriously did not consider that. I was like, it's like I had a life plan, you know? And just thinking that maybe it doesn't work out. Like, that thought is just scary for me. And like, maybe I should go back and have an office job and like just work in my field. Let's say that that's just scary for me. I just don't want to do that for the rest of my life. Okay, I feel like I'm happy with the blend. So I'm going to pick up another brush. This is a Morphe 507 and pick up a darker shade like this one here. I like this brush that for the fact that it has a more precise tip and it's ideal for applying darker shades like this. And I'm concentrating this below the first shade, so starting from the outer corner, just stamping the shade and then again blending towards my crease. I don't know, like lately I've just been feeling literally scared, like anxious, and I think for the next couple of weeks or so I am going to be like all in. Like I literally want to be everywhere, like film good YouTube videos, I want to be on TikTok, I want to be on Instagram, and just trying my best. And yeah, I still have to go to work, like I don't get time off or anything. I will be getting time off in the beginning of September, but we're going to go to Greece, by the way, and I'm so excited for that. So yeah, expect some vacation vlog or something like that, because I will definitely be filming one. It's just a nice memory, you know, to film your vacation and stuff. I really love that, because I did it last year and the year before that, and I don't know, I just look back on those videos and they just make me happy. But until then, I will try to basically work my ass off, even though I'm tired as hell most of the time. I want to do everything that's in my power to help myself grow on social media, like on all platforms. I'm just dipping back on my transition shade. Okay, the frustrating thing is that it's not all up to me, unfortunately. Like, I could be doing my best and still not grow, because obviously I just can't force people to watch my videos, and yeah. I don't know, it's so uncomfortable to say these things out loud, because I've been thinking about these things for a lot of time now, but just speaking about it just makes me nervous. Like, I don't want to feel like I'm begging for attention or anything, but if you do like my content, make sure to watch the videos all the way, because it really helps a lot. Anything helps, really, even dropping a like, watching the video all the way through. It really helps a lot. I need to calm down, I'm getting really nervous at this point. Whew. I will do my other eye and try to chill. Okay. Be right back. Okay, I finished this eye. Now I'm going to apply a shimmer on the lid, and for that I'm going to pick up my Nubian 2 palette by Juvia again. And this shade looks like I had to clean up the sides a little bit, because I just I did a TikTok that messed up this shade. Whatever, you can go check it out. By the way, I have the same username everywhere, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It's just the same. I'm going to pick up this shade with the Morphe 124, which is a kind of like a flat brush. I like how this applies shimmers, and that's gonna go on my lid, starting from the inner portion and just moving my way towards the middle of my lid. I don't think I have an olive shimmer. Maybe I can mix a little bit of this gold here. Okay, let's just try that. So mixing both of the shades, and to just tone it down a little bit. I'm going to blend the sides with my previous brush. That's how I've been feeling lately, just in case anybody is wondering how I'm doing. Some of you know I work in Sephora, and I feel like I've been working there for almost 2 years now, and I never planned to work there for I mean, I love my job, but I didn't plan to work in Sephora for this long, because like it's retail, like it's not really a job that you can retire from, let's say. I just don't know what to do with my life at this point. I think I'm done complaining. Let's continue with the makeup. I applied a tiny bit of mascara, and now you're going to watch me struggle apply these lashes with a black lash glue. I talked about that in my previous video. I think it was my previous video, I'm not sure. But I hate black lash glue. Like, I bought one recently, and I'm not the kind that just throws the product away if I don't like it. So I just keep using it and hopefully get used to the black lash glue. So I mean, the lash glue is really nice, it lasts really well, but applying the lashes is a total mess for me. Also, it's the first time in my life I'm using black lash glue, so it's probably my fault. I'm gonna let this dry for about a minute. My lash just doesn't want to stick in my inner corner. I have no idea why that happens, but it just never does. I mean, at least not from the first try. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove this and try again. I love lashes. I just love them. See this thick black line here? That's not a liner, that's my lash glue. I hate it so much. I'm going to have to do a liner, like to apply a liner, because I need to fix this. That definitely wasn't my plan, but now I have to do this. I will just try to cover this. I'm not doing a wing liner. 20 minutes later, I managed to fix this situation. I think it's alright now. I'm going to do my face makeup. I don't usually do this, but I feel like inserting the face makeup into the video and do like fast forward, play some music, so yay, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm going to finish the eye look, and I'm going to pick up the first brush, the one that I used to apply the transition shade, and I'm just going to fix the blend here, because of course there was foundation, concealer, everything, and the blend doesn't look as seamless as it did. I don't have any additional product on the brush, so it's just whatever is left on it. Like I have an idea. It's about my waterline. I don't know if I should apply brown or this gold, which I feel like this would look gorgeous. I think I'm going to go with the gold. Oh, and a gold waterline with a gold inner corner. This is going to be fabulous. Okay, so taking the Nubian too, and I think I'm going to go for this one. And I'm taking a small detail brush. Let's see, I hope I don't regret it. So, I'm applying it. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Sorry. So I'm applying it in the inner corner. And then connecting it to the lower lash line. Okay, back to my Nomad palette. I'm going to pick up this dark green that I used in my other corner. And this is a Morphe 149 brush, which is slightly smaller, and yeah, I want to be really precise with this. So I'm applying it in the other corner and fading it towards the center of my lid. And I'm connecting it to the upper lid. And then I'll pick up the transition shade, this one, with the same brush that I use on my upper lid. And just dust this all over the lower lid as well to blend. I'll pick up some more of this gold to re-intensify. Just going over my inner portion. Like, seeing this palette in front of me, there are so many shades that I want to use. I'm so happy when I'm excited about makeup. When I can take my time and just do makeup, it literally makes me so happy. That's why, like, I want to be able to do this every day of my life. Don't cry. There's one more step that I need to take, and that's tight lining under my lashes, because I can definitely see my skin there. I'm using a brown pencil. This is just a dark brown. You can use black. And last step is applying mascara on my lower lashes. This is the Lash Brag by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, that is everything for today's look. I really love how it came out, and I'm happy that I love it. I hope you like it as much as I do. And also thank you for listening to me today. I feel like I was talking to a friend. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. It helps me out tremendously. And I want to thank you for your constant support. I feel like the people following me are literally the cutest. Like, I sometimes get such sweet messages, and I don't know, I just love you guys. And that's it for me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!